Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, August 24th. Well, for those of you attending the Money Show in San Francisco, I will be there on Friday and Saturday, and I hope our paths cross. Well, if you do come by some of the presentations I have, please do say hi. It's always great to meet people, especially when people watch the video. I really enjoy that. So anyways, if you have a chance, come on by. Let's take a look at what's going on in these markets. The NASDAQ market's still struggling. We've had some variety of fundamentals, as we talked about in the advanced video, that may be impacting this market. I do not look for strong follow-through to the downside unless we get some other type of new news coming into the market. Let's move on, though, and let's talk about the dollar. The dollar got stronger, and we can see the euro backed off a bit. The magnitude change between the bullish and bearish levels in that market, $875. I do not look for a big move down. Same thing for Swissy. Magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish, $687.50. I'm only looking for a little bit of movement to the downside in that market. Oh, let's talk about the Aussie dollar. The magnitude change between that bearish and bullish level is $937.50. The next bullish level in that market, 73 even. And again, I'm looking for an unchanged, maybe a little bit lower in that market. The British pound, also fundamental news are driving the Aussie dollar and British pound to do what they're doing. Magnitude change here in that market, $312.50. Over in the Canadian dollar, magnitude change between that bearish level and this bullish level, since it traded below its bearish level, is $350 a contract. Interest rates, I think they're doing what they should do, and that's not much. I'm looking for further movement to the downside in the notes. It did trade below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market, just to give you that reference so you know what's going on with that market, is $125 a contract. I look for further movement to the downside on Friday. In the gold market, it traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market is $1,300 a contract, and I don't look for a big move down here either, basically an inside type day. Same thing holds true for silver. Magnitude change here between the bearish and bullish levels is $350 a contract, and I'm looking for an unchanged, just a slightly lower movement. This is Asia right now, and they're trying to find buyers at those lower levels. Well, crude oil. Crude oil came close to going below this bearish level, but I don't look for a strong move to the upside. I'm still very skeptical of this market. I think we need to be cautious. And in natural gas, we did trade below its bearish level. Magnitude change in this market, to give you a feel for that, is $950 a contract. I don't look for a big move to the upside, but right now it is positioned for an up move, and that is what I'm looking for on Friday. Soybeans continues its journey lower, and I'm looking for an unchanged to only slightly lower, trying to buy a little in Asia right now. It's approaching levels where a bounce should occur, and that wouldn't be surprising to see that. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.